I'm Nina from Nina Designs, and I'm going to show you how to wire wrap a briolette. The supplies we'll need today are a chain nose plier, a wire cutter, soft sterling silver wire, preferably 24 gauge, and briolette cut beads. Begin with a 3-inch piece of silver wire. Use your chain nose plier to make a sharp right angle turn toward the center of the wire. Then thread your bead onto the wire and move it toward the bend. Next, use your chain nose plier to make another sharp turn on the other side of the bead and cross your two wires. You want to adjust them so that they're equal. Be sure that you've left enough room between the tip of the bead and the crossed wires so that your bead can move freely back and forth. Then take your pliers and make another sharp turn so that the longer end of your wire is now vertical. At this point, clamp the two wires securely with the chain nose plier while you wrap the shorter wire around the vertical tail. Two full wraps. Finally, trim the tail and use the very tip of your pliers to tuck in the cut so that it doesn't snag on your clothing. And there you have it, a beautiful wire wrapped briolette ready for an earring or a pendant.